Hello, Pak Dison and my friend, other friend. Uh, Today I will show you how to solve this equation of these mathematic problems with vectors. Okay, from the A state of P, Q, and R algebraically. Now, how do you solve this question? First, it's simple. You just need to count the x and the y, like the A. Okay, how much the x? 1, 2, and 3. The limit of this from here to here is 3. Okay, P equals, don't forget the factor 3 point, count the y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're right here 6. Done. Do the same one to the Q factor and R factor. Okay, Q, the x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the x is 5 and the y is 1, 2, and 3. The y is 3. Next one is R. Count the x. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here is 4. Count the height. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4. Okay. Nah, this A is easy. This B. Determine magnitude of each factors. How to magnitude it? So the B and solving question is using P factor equals roots of x quadrat and plus y quadrat. So use root 3 squares plus 6 squares equals 6 squares equals 9 plus 6 squares equals 36. That means the result is 45 roots. Okay, same for the Q factor and R factor, which is 5 square plus 3 square equals 25 plus 9 equals roots 34. R 4 squares plus 4 squares equals root 16 plus 16 equals root 32. Make it simplified, become 4 root 2. Okay, now for the C. Okay, the C is determine the unit factor of P, Q, and R. How you do it is P factor equals it's what is it? E. Yeah, E equals the coordinate. So okay, get back. So the coordinate like 3 and 6 per roots 45 equals, the result is with two coordinates with the same number at the bottom. So like 3 by roots 45 and 6 by root 45. But as we know, root cannot be go down here, so we need to erase the root. How is it? Just like 3 by 4 root 45 times root 45 and 6 root 45 times root 45 root okay, so that's become this is for p factor. So and for q factor equals same like this. So just put 5 per 34, 3 per 34. Erase equals and this is the result for R factor 2. Okay, so for the number 2 is we have this jajar kencang and we A to D is X and D to C is Y. So we need to find CE and AE plus CE plus DE. How we solve it? Well, first A. Look at this. A to C need to pass E. So A to E, then we can go to E to C. So if this become one state, one number, CE equals up is positive. If it from C to E it's go down, it same become negative. So and CE is half from CA. CE factor equals minus half. But look at this. This is from A you need to go to D and C. So you need to pass X plus Y, which means X plus Y. Okay. So to B, it says AE plus CE plus DE. Like I said before, AE plus CE plus DE. So this is already know lah. If we go up and from A to E, it's become half X plus Y plus minus half X plus Y plus this DE is you need to D to E, you need to DC to CE. So DC factor 2 plus D equal plus CE. Yes. So like same. You know why? Because Y, because DC factor is Y. So minus and there is this it come 1 and half Y minus X. This is the answer for number 2. Okay. Well, we next to number 3. So we are wasting time. We're gonna do this question. U factor is ST. So we're gonna search this number to make it become synchronized. Okay. First we take a B factor. First AS ST TB. ST is U factor. AS is half of AC, so TB is same. So AB is CS plus U plus TB. Just make the same like just make the others make same like CD CS factor u factor td factor ad st td half ac ud minus cs u factor td, and these two. Okay, after that combine this all, cs plus u factor plus td plus this cs erase 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 erase, just left u plus factor u plus u factor plus u factor plus 2 u factor and 2 u factor plus u factor and 2 plus factor equals 4 u factor. That's the final answer. Thank you for watching.